How was Nike Sneakers Day, guys? I actually think it was pretty dope. Like, they had some really interesting releases and they did it in a really cool way. Like the cam release, the scratch drop, and even the shock drop right at the end. But the highlight of the day for me personally, and I believe a lot of other people too, was getting a W on the Jordan 1 yellow toe. Also, welcome to the new studio. It is still definitely a work in progress, so we're gonna try and figure some stuff out, but it should only get better from here. And here we have the box. This is a little bit different, a nice little special packaging to match the sneakers on the inside, all over taxi yellow to be exact. And then of course you have the black Nike branding. Other than that, it's exactly like any other Jordan box, so let's pop the top off. It's the Jordan 1 Taxi. Just a quick note, you don't get any extra laces in the box. You are literally just getting the black pair that is already on the sneaker, so no extra yellow for some reason. I thought that was pretty strange. Honestly, what are we thinking? These have to be one of the cleanest pairs of Jordan 1s to drop this entire year. I know we got the Chicago Reimagines later down the line, and obviously that's probably gonna take first place, but I don't think these are that far behind. They are clean. Definitely think these will come pretty close to the Chicagos in terms of demand. But of course, I need to give you guys some release information on these things because they are upcoming pretty soon, and also it's pretty confusing. So there's actually 3 different release dates. The first one already happened, and of course that was Nike Sneakers Day, which was only here in the EU. That landed on August the 8th, but if you took an L, you missed out. Don't worry, because the next release is on August the 13th. Now again, this release is also going to be just for the EU, but there's plenty of raffles you can go and enter, and of course there is a proper Nike sneakers drop. Finally, and also unfortunately, you guys out in the US are only going to be getting these on September the 24th. I don't know why they're gonna do you guys like that, but yeah, you're gonna have to wait a little bit. But hey, at least you'll know everything there is to know about this sneaker, hopefully after today's video. Retail price is set at £165 here in the UK or $170 out in the US, which is pretty savage. I mean, when the hell did Jordan 1s get up to £165? But hey, if there's any Jordan 1s that I'm happy to shell out for, these are definitely making that list. So let's get into this pair of sneakers. And I guess first up, if these kind of look familiar to you, it's because of the shine down sample that is pretty much identical to this colorway. I mean, it was a friends and family exclusive. Only 23 pairs were ever made, but this colorway did technically exist before this release. I actually had no idea who Shinedown was, but it's an American rock band, and their version or their friends and family exclusive had a little exclamation mark on the heel tab of the shoe. So maybe if you're a fan of Shinedown, this is probably a must cop for you. Leather, guys. Let's talk about this leather. Box press test. Take a look, guys. Take a look. I gotta say, this is definitely up there in terms of like the tier list of Jordan 1 leather quality. Like, I do really think you'll be pretty happy with it when you get them in hand. Like, again, we're strictly talking about leather in the realm of Jordan 1s, but I mean, hey, if you take a look, it's nicely tumbled in most places. The leather on the toe box, which obviously comes in yellow, feels really, really nice. Same thing for the yellow leather around the back, which of course is the heel and up by the Jordan Wings logo. Now the black leather also feels pretty decent. I wouldn't say it's as textured or as tumbled as the yellow leather, but that comes around the mudguard, the eye stays, and of course around the ankle area. And then right in the center of the sneaker on the medial and lateral sides, you get the white leather, which also feels pretty decent. I would say for once, this is, I guess, the most cohesive Jordan 1 in terms of leather quality. Every section and every piece of leather on this sneaker kind of feels very, very similar. So it's not like some other Jordan 1s where you get like the black leather feeling super soft and then the rest of it feels like plastic trash. And one thing I always kind of look for with Jordan 1s is a little bit softer leather around the ankle area. In my opinion, that's just something you want to be a little bit softer, so it's a little bit more bendy when you're walking around to just contribute to the overall comfortability of the sneaker. And then to finish off the yellow toe colorway, they've got the white midsole and the yellow outsole, which I think blends together so nicely. Listen, I'm not usually a yellow sneaker guy. It's not like I have a problem with the colorway, it's just I don't have very many in my collection. But these definitely do it for me. Obviously with this color blocking, I think it just makes it so much more wearable. It's an incredible looking pair of sneakers when you've actually got them on foot. Pair these things with a black pair of cargos and you are killing the game. They're so easy to rock, so easy to match. Not to mention the fits you could throw together with a pair of shorts and this pair of sneakers. I think you could absolutely kill it this summertime. Now as for sizing, real quick, I got my true to size and they fit just fine. So that's what I'm going to recommend to you guys. Again, same as any other Jordan 1s. So if you've tried a pair of ones on, stick with that same size. But yeah guys, I'm a fan of these things. I love the colorway, I love the leather, I love pretty much everything about them. This is a solid pair of ones. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then.